Choppers going bafethu. Hopa fault intong sasentwana yenu lo Tyson. Choppers going. Ngila uzo addressa lamazayizay. Nina makwerekwere. Makrikamba. Hambani nibuyele emakhaya wenu. I'm saying this regarding the last post that I posted, whereby I'm being attacked by illegal immigrants, those that are here without papers to be here. eMzansi lalelani la zinja ezokunuka ezinuka imidida amakhwapha nemilomo namasend ocher bakhona banuka amakuku anuka nekarapawo lalelani la zinja. Most of you guys, you are taking me because of sintshela angazi, sintshela indaba esimple, straightforward. Hambani yo akha amazwe wenu. Some of you need to give me ngizenza umZulu. I'm not Zulu. It's just that this is how can I put it? Zulu. Most people understand Zulu. So that's why manje ngibeka ngesizulu. I'm Venda, 100% pure Venda. Born and raised eShawela. Chiawelo Clinic. Nimfeni mfesese. It's just that I'm multilingual. IsiZulu ngesikhuluma, isiXhosa ndiyasithetha, Setswana kasitsi kasibua, Sesotho kasibua Sesotho. IsiNdebele angisazi, whatever the case is. But ningizwe nesishangano ngikhohla amashangano akithi. Batsonga, not mashangano, Batsonga, yes. Amashangano ila wase Mozambique. So ningizwe ningilalelisise kahle bafethu ne. Mina angisungumntana we-rape. I'm not a product of rape. Most of you enilokun fuma la asambe masimbeni zinje ezokunuka misuni abomameni. Most of you abomamenu badlengulwa la endleleni beza la to South Africa. That's why you guys, your heads azisebenzi kahle. Abomameni ngama product we-rape. Abomameni bebadliwa la bebadlengulwa, not futhi ukudliwa, because ukudliwa it's a mutual agreement between the two to have sexual intercourse. So ngitshela nina amazayizaya ningazosijwayela ukunuka. Ningalingi nangalomhlolo, ningalingi. Niyangizwa ngithi mazayizaya. Flipping foreigners. Izinje ezinuka. Indaba ukuthi inkinga sinibiza kanje, niyadelela. Nidelela kabi. Kuma videos that we've been seeing like la on TikTok, Facebook, wherever. Nidelela kabi zinja. Ningalolu kuzothengisa kuleli elethu. Hayi khona ayenziwa lento le. It's the same as ufika endlini yabantu, ufike uzofuna ukucontrol, ubeka imithetho yakho. Akenzo kanjalo. Hayi la eMzansi, last on addresser. We will address each and every individual of you guys. Akusumhlaba wenu la, ningazosimoshela our big cities. We're talking about Cape Town, Pretoria, Johannesburg, Durban, Polokwane, East London, all Free State, Bloemfontein. We're talking about them. All those nice cities. Niyamosha nina makrikamba zinja ezokunuka la. Sithi hambana sincinge futhi santshela. So we'll fight for South Africa. Sizolwa nani nina ebala eMzansi enivumela lamagogogo lawo lamakrikamba ukuthi bezela nina ama EFF. Siyanazi bafethu. You are being funded ukuthi manje these immigrants, they must come here bazopollute lelizwe lethu, a beautiful South Africa, a rainbow nation South Africa. No guys, no. Nithengiwe nina la. Nithengiwe ukwalibona umuntu onyela endlini. Is it a human being? You can't say that's a human being. No. Maybe, I don't know, what can I call them? I don't have a name for them. But guys, no, we can't deal with you guys. Hey, skathele yini. So guys, kusasemnandi sisankhuza. Hambani emakhaya. Go back home. Go fix your countries. We're tired. Hey, zinja lezi. Shoppers kwenye bafethu. Number 1 Knoxman. Out esekhaya seCluvers. Yeah, ngisazo addressa futhi iNation. Bafethu ngithi lamazayizayi lawo lamanyasa lamakwerekwere lamandova lamagrigamba lamakwang sithi bafethu kulo December lo I don't think ukuthi nizomdlela la eSouth Africa niyomdlela ngale ekhaya kahle so make sure ukuthi sidila nani accordingly shuthi kwamele nazi ukuthi xenophobia iyabuya so basiphethe kwa Sagila Mvuku nenduku kuzokhala ikwerekwere lizokhala kuzonuka umuntu kungabolanga next so deal nani accordingly khana nizobona ukuthi South Africa ilungile kodwa mayithi enough is enough nizwisise kahle bafethu futhi mase ngihlangane nobhuti bami bangale eKZN umZulu nomvenda mabehlangene kanje inkani yakhona elapho angisakhulumi ngama brothers wami wase Eastern Cape angisakhulumi ngabontate abase Free State bontate la dibona ditshwenyi tsena di etsang ntate so angisakhulumi eMatsonga wa yena ala Limpopo angisakhulumi Pedis bowarra guys be warned kuzonuka kungabolanga so kusasenesikhathi your days are numbered ningakhohlwa sanikeze isikhathi time is ticking make sure that all of you guys you are packing your stuff you're going back home let December asafuna ukubona kwanyasa la nisinukele it's enough but guys asantsheli kahle manje so sebenzisa corporal punishment uzokhala ingane ekwerekwere kuzokhala ikwerekwere niyasazi futhi nisikhohliwe ningathanga intshela this is not a threat siyanitshela nje it's a warning hambani sasenesikhathi choppers wenye bafethu ningayikhohlwa bafethu lamakwerekwere asimoshela la kulele lethu abanye bayaze babulalelwa nezingane bayasho ukuthi nake ihloka lethi kingwana so izinto ezinjalo ngicanga zathi right this is not good guys so let's fix this country let's fix this rainbow nation country our beautiful South Africa all these illegal immigrants should go back to where they belong they should go back to their countries choppers kwenye bafethu number 1 Oxman out esekasese Kluvas choppers kwenye danko.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangibodwa send a message to my foreigners. Uthi wasita ukuthi ahambe kusa early because December ngeke baze bamdlelelana uthi abahambe nje bamuke bayanuka abanuka amasimba and bayadzelela uthi yena uyaqala kubona abantu labadzelela so ngema foreigner uthi avadzelela ama foreigners awahambe isikhathi sabo siphelile manje abahambe uthi yena lendo yokuthi if busy defendana nema foreigners bayayibona and they know ukuthi they are being funded nalabantu who are South Africans but they are defending ama foreigners yabhetha nje lento leyo because makwerekwere asimoshela live bayanuka banuka amakhwapha banuka amasimba bayatinyanya bakakala bahlala khona uthi nje abahambe because indzaba yabo ne-South Africa iphelile siyaqhubeka sicale kubona lo bhuti video akhuluma ngema foreign I think this is his third video ewasho nasekucaleni ukuthi vele owakabafuni abahambe bayabhetha bangqolise eJohannesburg ingcolile bafuna ngcolisa konke bo Cape Town akukho lama foreigners angekho khona ama foreigners asePumalanga Eastern Cape Limpopo ngeke nje uthole eprovince lama foreigners angekho khona it's like bayabuka ukuthi hayi ngathi sesigcwele eMpumalanga sasambe neKZN hayi ngathi iKZN sebaningi thina labanye asesplit eSeastern Cape because akukho olangwe kuzobathole khona they are everywhere. I didn't think ukuthi akhona ama foreigners eEastern Cape until ngibona Operation Dudula iba Dudule Eastern Cape and I was like hey bukana Eastern Cape bakhona Cape Town bakhona kukho ayila ama-foreigners angekho khona agqwele i-South Africa yonke. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.